Viewers, welcome to today's episode of Hilary Online Math class. In our question today, we are given that if a to the power a is equals to a squared, what is a? That's the question, right? So let's find all the possible solutions of a that satisfy this particular equation. Now, the first thing to do, let's write, we have a power a to be equals a squared, right? Now I can take the natural log on both sides, and this is natural log of a raised to power a equals to natural log of a raised to power 2. But recall the law of logarithm. It said if I have something like, if I say ln a power x, I can write it to be x ln a, right? Now for this I have ln a power a, which means I can bring this back and make it something like a ln a, right? And this is 2 as well, so 2 natural log of a, which implies for this part I can collect like terms. I will have something like a natural log of a minus 2 natural log of a to be equals 0. Now after this I have something that is common, which is natural log of a, so I have natural log of a into a minus 2. Based on, if I factorize natural log, I'm left with a. Factorize natural log, I'm left with 2. So I have this to be equals to 0, right? After this, we all know that when you have two situations like this in maths, it means either natural log of a equals to 0 or a minus 2 equals to 0, because the 2 will satisfy the equation, right? Now let's solve this part first, then we'll check this, because it seems the question has two solutions, right? So we are having for this part, let's take the exponent on both sides. So exponential of natural log of a on this side, right, to be equals to exponential 0 here, right? I'm taking the exponent on both sides so that, exponential always cancels the natural log out. What we have left is going to be a to be exponential 0, but anything raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. So that means one of the solution is 1. Now let's check for the other one. For this, we are having a minus 2 to be equals to 0, which implies a is equals to 2 when it crosses to the other side, right? That means our solutions is that a equals to 1 or a equals to 2. We can as well check if the solution is valid. Recall that the question said a power a to be equals to a squared, right? So for this, let's substitute 1 and see if it satisfies this. So if we are just checking the answer is this, right? But we are just trying to check if it's valid. So if a equals to 1, let's see. So 1 power 1 is equals to 1 power 2. We have 1 equals to 1 checked. Now what if a equals to 2? Can we do the check? Yes. For the checking, we are having that 2 power 2 equals to what? 2 power 2, which means 4 equals to 4, checked as well. That means these two results are valid. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.